Hello, in this particular video, I'm going to share my own thoughts or my own knowledge about the benefits of SEO for a business. If you have a business and you are thinking about to use SEO strategies for your business promotion, so here I have some list of the benefits of SEO. So you should know about the benefits of SEO first, then you should use SEO for your business. So here I wrote some points, 6 points to explain the benefits of SEO. So here the first step is SEO builds trust and credibility. SEO, if you are using SEO strategies for your business, then your business will get more trust and credibility from your customers or your clients. As you can see, if I go to the search engine Google, and here I search for interior designer in Florida. If I am searching for this keyword, here I got some results. These are some advertisement. As you can see here, a text ad. This is advertisement, and this is advertisement, and here we get a local business listing, and here some websites are given. These websites come in the first page uh, by the SEO. So if you will use SEO strategies for your business will also list here, and you will get more attention from customers. So this is the very important thing for your business to rank in the first page. If your business is listed in the first page, you will get more attention from your customers, and you will get more trust. Okay, second thing is SEO. Good SEO means a better user experience. uh, Here we can explain the user experience from the authority of Google, or like any other search engine like Google. So if somebody comes in a search engine and search for a particular service or particular product, and he got some results, he will get your website. If you get your website here, he will get more trust on you, and this will increase your user experience also. Third thing is local SEO means increased traffic engagement and conversions. We go to this page, here we got some results like this. These are the local business listings, and these will give more engagement and more conversions, because here we have directly a quick button about direction and website, and we also have a website of call button. So we can use this listing for our business, and if our business will rank here, then we get more attention from our customers. So if you don't know how to do this with local listing SEO, then you can contact me, or you can hire somebody else who have good knowledge about SEO. So this is the third point, and the fourth point is it helps in buying cycle. If you are doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and if somebody goes to your website and see some your products or services, and he want to make sure that you are trustable or not, he go to the Google or any other search engine, and he search for some keywords. If your website will rank higher on the if in rank in first page, he will definitely trust on you, and he will definitely use your products and services. So we can say that SEO helps in buying cycles also. And the fifth point is SEO helps to you understand the environment of web. If you can do SEO of your website, you will get a lot of information about the environment of web, and you will get a lot of information about digital marketing. So if you will learn SEO for your business, you will get many other information about digital marketing, like how to use Instagram SEO, how to use Facebook SEO, how to do YouTube SEO, etc. So you can do a lot of things after learning of SEO. And the sixth point is SEO is relatively cheap. SEO, we can say that SEO is relatively cheap because if you invest a lot of money in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, so you need to pay for a particular click, or you need to pay for a impression. But if you will use SEO, you don't need to uh, pay for a particular impression, or you don't need to pay for a click. So you need to only select a package of a company, and they can handle your website's SEO. So these are some points about the benefits of SEO. I hope you got my points. And if you want to use SEO services for your business, you can directly contact us, because we also provide SEO related services and digital marketing related services. So you can get the contact details in the description box. So I hope you understand my points. Thank you for watching this video, and please like this button if you like this video, or if you don't like this video, please dislike it. And mm, please share your thoughts in the comment sections also, and please subscribe button.